Welcome to the FluentFlow English Learning Channel. I'm your host, Carl, and today we're going to talk about the one habit that's destroying your English fluency right now. It's not bad grammar. It's not pronunciation mistakes. It's not lack of vocabulary. It's translation. That voice in your head that takes your native language thoughts and converts them to English before you speak. That mental translation process is killing your fluency. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from it. Here's the truth. As long as you're translating in your head, you'll never be fluent. Never. Fluency doesn't come from faster translation. Fluency comes from thinking directly in English. And the good news? You can start breaking this habit today. Right now. With 3 simple techniques that take just minutes to practice. If you're tired of that awkward pause before you speak, tired of losing conversations because you can't think fast enough, this video is your breakthrough moment. Let's get started. Let me tell you about David. Last year, David came to me completely frustrated. He said, "Carl, I know English. I really do. But when someone asks me a question, I freeze. I think of the answer in my language, then I try to translate it to English, and by the time I'm ready to speak, the moment has passed. How do I stop this?" I told him. "David, your brain has been trained to translate for years. We need to retrain it to think directly in English. It won't happen overnight, but with the right practice, it can happen faster than you think." David committed to 3 daily practices. Within 2 weeks, he noticed the translation voice getting quieter. Within 1 month, he was having moments where English thoughts came first. Within 3 months, he was thinking and speaking in English naturally most of the time. Let me share those 3 practices with you right now. Practice number 1. The morning narration. Starting tomorrow morning. From the moment you open your eyes, narrate everything in English. Not out loud if you're around people. Just in your head. I'm waking up, I'm stretching. What time is it? It's 7 a.m. I need to get out of bed, I'm feeling tired. I should have slept earlier. Keep this internal narration going while you brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, make breakfast. Every action, every thought narrated in simple English. Why is this so powerful? Because you're training your brain to operate in English mode from the moment you wake up. You're not translating descriptions of your actions. You're thinking them directly in English. David did this every morning for 30 minutes. He told me, "At first, my brain kept slipping back to my native language, but I'd catch it and switch back to English. After 2 weeks, English thoughts started coming automatically. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you can manage, but do it every single morning." Practice. Number 2, the decision translator. Every decision you make today, think through it entirely in English. Out loud if you're alone, in your head if you're around others. Should I have coffee or tea? Coffee makes me feel more awake. But I had coffee yesterday, maybe tea today. Which tea? Green tea. Yes, I'll have green tea. Small decisions, big decisions. All in English. What should I wear? Should I take the bus or walk? What should I have for lunch? This practice is brilliant because decisions require active thinking. You're not just describing what you see. You're processing information, weighing options, making choices, all in English. David applied this to everything, every single decision. Within weeks, his brain started automatically processing decisions in English, without conscious effort. Practice number 3, the 60-second thought. Burst 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, evening. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Speak out loud in English about whatever's on your mind. Stream of consciousness. No planning. Just talk. I'm thinking about work. I have that meeting later. I'm a bit nervous. I need to prepare better. Maybe I should review my notes. Oh, I also need to buy groceries. What do I need? Bread, milk, eggs. Keep talking for the full 60 seconds. Don't stop. Don't translate. Just let English words flow, even if they're imperfect. This trains your brain to produce English spontaneously, without the translation step. The more you practice spontaneous English speaking, the more automatic it becomes. David did this 3 times daily. He told me, the first week, I kept running out of things to say. But by week 3, 60 seconds felt easy. English was just flowing. Why translation kills. Fluency. Let me explain what's happening in your brain when you translate. Your native language thought takes maybe half a second to form. Translation to English takes another 2 to 3 seconds. Then, speaking takes another second. That's 4 to 5 seconds total for one thought. In a conversation, that delay is deadly. By the time you're ready to speak, the other person has moved on. Or they're staring at you waiting, making you more nervous. But when you think directly in English, the thought forms in English instantly. Thought to speech in 1 second. That's conversational speed. That's fluency. David experienced this transformation. He said, once I stopped translating, conversations became easy. I wasn't behind anymore. I could actually participate naturally. The 21-day challenge. Here's what I want you to commit to. For the next 21 days, do all 3 practices every single day. Morning narration for at least 10 minutes. Think through every decision in English. 3 60-second thought bursts daily, 21 days, that's all. 3 weeks of consistent practice. David did exactly this. After 21 days, the translation habit was significantly weakened. After 30 days, English thinking felt natural. After 90 days, he rarely translated anymore. Thank you for watching the FluentFlow English Learning Channel. I'm Carl, and I'm grateful you spent this time with me. If this video revealed the habit holding you back, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly breakthrough techniques. Comment below. Are you ready for the 21-day challenge? Say, I'm in right now to commit. Before we end, I want to leave you with some wishes. I wish you liberation. May you break free from the mental prison of translation and discover the freedom of thinking directly in English. I wish you persistence. May you practice these 3 techniques every single day for 21 days, even when your brain resists, even when it feels difficult. I wish you patience. May you understand that breaking a years-old habit takes time. May you celebrate small victories, the first English thought that comes without translation. And most importantly, I wish you the moment of realization. May you suddenly notice one day that you've been thinking in English for several minutes without even trying. May you experience that magical moment when English becomes your thinking language, not just your speaking language. You're not stuck with translation forever. You can retrain your brain, starting today. Until next time, keep thinking in English and keep flowing forward. This is Carl from FluentFlow English Learning Channel. Take care. Keep flowing.